Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Align Plans, and thank you so much for coming by. You know what time it is. Today, finally, we are going to be unboxing the March sub box from Cloth and Paper. So without further ado, why don't we just dive deep right in. Basically, the way that the unboxing works on my channel is we unbox everything, and then I will kind of see which parts I'm going to be swapping out in my planner. I will show you guys close-ups of everything, and of course, if there's a particular section in the video that you're more interested in, I'm going to have a timestamp down in the description and also in the comments, so you can just hop to the sections that you're more interested in. Okay, and if you are brand new to this channel, well, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. My name is Meshi, and I do anything and everything minimalist planning on this channel. We talk about obviously unboxing, like this video. I also give you guys some minimalist planning tips, and also just how you can use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way. So if that sounds good, you might want to consider subscribing. All right. Let's hop on over to unboxing this little guy. And as per usual, if you haven't seen the sub boxes, Cloth and Paper kind of changed the layout a little bit. So this is usually where the pens come in. And then there's a little card that just kind of explains what is in the box. But since they added this extra section in there, that kind of just prevents things from like moving around. And now let's remove everything. This just says pen stylo. And then we have this little clear pouch. We will see what we can do about this. Oh, looks like now everything is in like this one big bundle. Hang on. Oh, and just keep in mind for the March sub box, apparently there's some things in here that is exclusive to subscribers only. I'm not sure what is the exclusive product. Maybe I should read the little card. I will find out off camera. I'm not sure. Okay, so first up, we have some icon stickers. So it looks like we have running, weights, bike. Oh, they're cluing in. That's fun. That sounds mean. So it looks like you get 5 sheets, or looks like you have 3 sheets of activity. There's also rise early, go outside, hydrate, and relax. So this is their wellness package. So you have like a little doctor's appointment, outdoor biking, yoga, taking your vitamins, going to bed early. I guess this would be cardio and hydration. Very cool. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. Who said that? Nice. I feel like this is like a window cling. Okay, that's cool. So this, you kind of put it on your windows. I'm not going to unpackage it right now. Then we have some half stickies. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of even like the mood tracker. So now you have your water, hydration, screen time, and exercise. And Lord knows that I need to exercise today. So thank you. Thank you, Cloth and Paper, for reminding me that I owe myself a Peloton ride today. That's something new. Let's see what this is. Very, very cool. It's almost like a compass. Super hard to, like, I mean, honestly, you guys, it is, I'm not even sure if the camera will pick this up for you at all, but it's like uber difficult to read what this says. See if I can turn on the lights more. If I find like a high-res image of this, I will pop it on the screen because there's no way I can even read this. Okay, I can kind of read it. It just basically, it's almost like It's almost like a quote. Okay, then we have more notepads that just looks like a weekly layout. Wellness, mental and physical wellness dashboard. Another layering. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Another layering dashboard. I feel like they really cut back. Is this just me? You guys can tell me in the comment section, but I feel like they really cut back on like dashboards. You know what I mean? No? Just me? Okay. Then you also have a top tab. Very cool. I really like this. Nice. I feel like this would be like really awesome to add like half-page stickies, or you can actually use these guys on it. Maybe something to think about. And then what are you? Daily wellness bundle. Oh my goodness. I feel like this month we're really placing a high importance on wellness. So let's see what this is all about. Again, I don't see myself putting all of this into my planner, but so we have physical wellness, full wellness log, daily wellness log. Okay, so you have your goals. Here we go. You can actually see a little bit better. So you have your daily wellness log here. You have nutrition, affirmation, checking in, your activities. Okay, so you have double-sided. Oh no, I'm keep ruining my nails today. I don't know why. So let me see how many pages of that you receive. Is that all that is? I feel like that's it. Yep. That's it. I thought there would be like more to it. Okay. And then you have like your wellness log. I guess if you wanted to keep track of like your weight, or you can actually use, this would be really nice if you wanted to like add your little icons in there, and then you can keep track of it. Maybe put in the date, or you put in the date here, and then like you can kind of keep track of it that way. Very cool. I have to be honest with you guys, I don't see myself using this either. I feel like all of the things that I'm not going to be using is starting to really pile up, so I'm going to be destashing quite a bit. This is okay if you don't have anything where you're tracking your fitness, or if you are, I feel like this would be ideal for someone who has like a very specific wellness goal, and then you need that level of accountability. Then it would be perfect. I do like the icons, but to be honest, like I have something so similar already, so I don't see myself reaching for this. You know what I mean? And I have to say, like, I end up kind of tracking my wellness. I started tracking it here just in a very simple way in my weeks, just as like a little workout schedule sheet. And honestly, like I love doing it like this, where I just kind of write in, you know, bike or rest or whatever. So, and it's been working really well, you know. But I mean, for those of you that, you know, that you don't have a specific system, then this might be amazing for you. I do like the dashboards. I do like all of this, but I'm really honestly, I don't know, like it just like the last couple of months, maybe you guys can let me know what you think about it, but like in the last couple of months, like they've just been kind of changing up what you receive when they're giving you like just a full bundle of something. To me, it's okay, but honestly, when I add up all the things, that I'm just kind of like, I could have passed on most of these. And it's not to say that they're not nice, it's just to say that, I don't know, I'm not kind of getting what I was hoping I would get out of it. Okay, and like I don't even see, like, we're probably going to skip the part where I'm adding this into my planner, because I'm probably not going to. Like here, like they also used to send you like a couple of journal cards. And for journal cards right now, we just have this and this thing that I can't even read. Isn't that weird? But we have a window cling. Okay. I don't know, cloth and paper, I don't know what to tell you. I really miss those days when you sent like a beautiful quote and then I can choose to like print it out. That was really cool. Little journal cards, kind of switch things up, layering pieces, that was really fun. I don't know. we're shifting gears. We're shifting into this new dimension of like altering what comes in the sub boxes, and half of it, like a lot of these tearaway pieces, I end up not using. So I'm not even going to unpackage this because I don't see myself using this or this. Like I just got something really similar to this. Overall, I think that this is like fantastic, and I think I mentioned this before in previous videos. I think that this sub box is for those of you that are almost like starting out new and you really wanted to get a taste for the brand. But then after a while, like I've been with cloth and paper for about a year now, it just gets to a point where I'm just like, oh, okay, cool. Like you give me another card, fantastic. I don't know if you guys feel that way, especially in the last 2-3 months. I very much felt that shift. I think since we started receiving those digital downloads that didn't have like that full page quote, like that full page quote, that was like everything, because I ended up like framing it, and it was so cool. So anyhow, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite pieces within the sub box, because there's quite a few things that I do really like. I'm a little disappointed with this guy, because to me this is just so many pages of the exact same thing that I know I'm not going to be using. Isn't that disappointing? So I don't even want to wrinkle it up, because I'm literally just going to place it back into its pretty little package and then just allowing someone else to, you know, give it some love. So this is all I have for you. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite thing is in the sub box, because honestly I have a hard time deciding at the present moment. And just keep planning, you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.